Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Falcon and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here you should see your Amazfit Falcon. Now under the picture of your watch you should see watch faces and App Store. Once you see the App Store, tap on the arrow right here to open the store of the apps, the App Store, and right here we have the list of applications we can install basically on our watch. You have different categories, you can browse and stuff like that. So let's say we're gonna open the workout, maybe utilities category. I'm gonna open it, look for something we want to install. Let's say we want to install the photo album. Tap on the app you want to install, then tap on install button. It's gonna start downloading. If you see the pop-up about the permissions, tap on allow. It's gonna start installing. And after it's done installing, you will be able to go back to the App Store, tap on mine, and here you will see the list of applications installed on your watch. And if you go to your watch, wake up the screen on it, open the app list, app menu by swiping left on the home screen, you should see the app you installed right here at the bottom of the list. Then you can tap on the icon to open the app. Okay. You can also install multiple applications if you want to by simply finding another one and tapping on it, tapping on install, and it's gonna install automatically. And after it's done, it will appear right here on the list and on the list in the application. As you can see, it's here now, and it will be here right here in the mine category. And once you're done installing the applications, you can close the app, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.